How to create pattern design in Adobe Illustrator and prepare them to sell on Shutterstock. Go to toolbar, select polygon tool, stroke size 5pt and fill color none. Click here to take another side. Go to the object menu. Go to pattern. Click make. Select tile type hex by row. Click done. Now delete this shape. Select the rectangle tool. Keep size 5000 px by 3000 px. Go to source. Now select your pattern. Click the right button. Go to transform. Select scale. Uncheck transform object. Decrease uniform size. Again, select the rectangle tool. Choose any color. Go to the window. Click transparency. Select blending mode, multiply. Now select all. Go to the object. Click expand. Go to the file menu. Select save as. Select Illustrator EPS. Select version Illustrator 10 EPS. Open the Shutterstock. Click on Upload. Open the design. Type some relevant description. For category 1, select abstract. For category 2, select art. select add all. Now click on save. Now click on submit. Thanks for watching the video.